Ashford. Yeah, so basically I'll get straight to it, so I'm not wasting time. I just identified your listing here as one that could be performing a little bit better if the right strategy was used. And yeah, I've just prepared a few numbers for you. So if we take a look at your competition here, this is Data Dive, by the way, if you haven't seen it before. Essentially, it's just the best premium paid tool that Amazon have to offer, or not Amazon have to offer, but that runs numbers on Amazon. So yes, if we see your listing here, I mean, I did see that you've got an ASIN that is near on 700k, which obviously blows all the competition here out of the water. But it's slightly different because obviously it's got the I think it's a pack of 4, whereas all these are just singular packs. So yeah, so if you look at your Skinny Food Company, your main competitor, they're doing slightly more sales than you are. But yeah, I mean, for the main part, you're doing pretty well, but you can always aim for more, right? So yeah, so you're probably wondering why. So we look at the keywords here. So you rank for 68%, which is actually pretty good in terms of optimization. I imagine the brand name is obviously very strong, so I imagine that has a big impact on keywords. And then yeah, if you look at the Skinny Food Company, they're doing more like 90%. So obviously they're just essentially just battling on more fronts than you are. And yeah, they're just in the fight for more sales in different places, which is a relatively quick fix that we can make for you. So yeah, if we just take a quick look at your listing, you can see, yeah, that obviously your brand name is very, very strong. It's obviously like a well-known brand, isn't it? So putting that in the front is the right thing to do. Yeah, so your title it's okay. It's very descriptive. It's not necessarily serving the algorithm that well, though. I mean, we could definitely put some more keywords in there to, yeah, again, just battle on more fronts, and then we go down to the product details, the bullet points. Again, similar story. It's just like, yeah, short, sharp, straight to the point, but yeah, not really serving Amazon's algorithm too well. And then the images. I mean, if you compare this to obviously your branding elsewhere, you probably say that this is on the lower end, and you can probably do with a leg up, really, just to kind of get it get it back in line with. Obviously, I've got your website up here. All the images and stuff are brilliant on there. The content's great on there. So yeah, I mean, why not? It's quite a quick fix to be able to just carry it over onto Amazon. Cool. So we scroll down to your A+ content. So yeah, it's not a bad effort, but I'm guessing this is quite dated. I'm not sure how old this listing is, but this is sort of like the older style of A+ content. So if we were to sort of bring this up to standard, obviously you've got the product video there, which is good. But again, I mean that could be even better as well. That was just done by Amazon's team, I'm guessing. So yeah, I mean you'd probably agree that this listing doesn't necessarily hold the standards that Monin has elsewhere. So yes, if we then go on to your competitor here, who, again, yeah, they're sort of nicking market share off. I know they're kind of like a big brand name as well in England. I see them, obviously they're in all the shops and stuff, but it's not as big as Monin, so they shouldn't really be beating you on Amazon. So yeah, so you look here, they've got a few more keywords in there. They're utilising the bullet points well. They're, yes, packed full of SEO value and descriptive words to seal the sale. You look at the images, they've got infographics, they've got yeah, well, I mean, there's no lifestyle videos, but yeah, they're showing the range. They're doing all sorts where, yeah, it's just on a different level to your current content. And if we scroll down, yeah, they're utilising from the brand section, which is, again, all these things are easy fixes that we can implement for you quite quickly. And they've got the A+ content, premium A+ content, which I'm sure you can probably have access to. It's just for the high-end brands on Amazon, which yeah, I pretty much guarantee you will have access to it. And yeah, and this in Amazon's words themselves, they say this can improve conversion rates by up to 20%. I mean, I'm not sure if it is actually 20%. You know, they're just trying to get you through the door. But yeah, even if it's 5-10%, it's still a massive impact on sales if you're doing that much a month. So yeah, I mean, this is just the surface level stuff. We kind of manage everything to do with your Amazon account. Yeah, and basically we'd love to show you what we can do. So we'd offer a free listing optimization for you, just to kind of give you an idea of what's possible. But yeah, if you've got a spare 5 minutes, maybe later this week, or you want to meet up for a coffee or something, obviously we're only in Ashford, so it's not too far away. Then yeah, don't hesitate to get in touch. Cheers.